In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable discounts on Zoho Invoice. Whether you're offering a special promotion or providing a loyal customer with a deal, understanding how to apply discounts effectively can be a powerful tool in managing your client relationships. To begin, you'll need to log into your Zoho Invoice account. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your invoicing, so it's essential to have an account set up and ready to go. Once you're logged in, navigate to the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu, where you can customize various options to suit your needs. Next, within the settings menu, you'll want to select General Preferences. This is where you can modify a variety of fundamental settings associated with your account, including, in this case, enabling discounts. As you scroll down within this section, you'll encounter an option that asks, "Do you give discounts?" Here you are presented with two choices. You can enable discounts at the line item level, which allows you to apply discounts to specific products or services within an invoice. This option is ideal for cases where you want to discount certain items but not the entire order. Alternatively, you can apply a discount at the transaction level, affecting the whole invoice. This is useful when you are offering a flat rate or percentage off the entire bill. Choose the option or options that align with how you wish to administer discounts in your business. After making your selection, remember to click Save at the bottom of the page. This is a crucial step because it ensures that your changes are applied across your account settings. Without this, your newly configured discount settings won't take effect. With your discount settings enabled, it's time to create an invoice. To do this, navigate to Home, then select Invoices followed by the plus New button. This is where you'll start compiling the details of the transaction. Begin by entering the necessary customer and item details. This step must be done carefully to ensure your invoice reflects the agreed terms of the sale accurately. Now, depending on the discount settings you've configured, the invoice will display different options. If you selected the line item discount, a discount column will appear beside each item listed, allowing you to apply specific discounts to individual products or services. On the other hand, if you're implementing an invoice level discount, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the invoice. Here you can enter a discount as either a percentage or a flat amount, which will be applied to the total amount due. Finally, once all the details are filled in and agreed upon, you're ready to complete and send the invoice. This final step locks in the transaction details and ensures your client receives a detailed and accurate record of the sale, including any applied discounts. With these steps, you've now learned how to enable and apply discounts on Zoho Invoice, enhancing your ability to offer competitive pricing and manage your customer relationships effectively.